Imagine living in a home carved directly into the Earth's natural rock formations, with breathtaking views and an atmosphere of tranquility. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to the most stunning cave houses around the world, modern masterpieces that blend nature, history, and architecture seamlessly. These homes offer the perfect balance of eco-friendliness, luxury, and unique living spaces. Let's explore these hidden havens that truly feel like heaven on earth. Welcome to our home decor channel. Are you curious about the top most beautiful cave houses? Is the epitome of the home with some earthy, welcoming, and comfortable all at once. A stone facade serves as the perfect introduction to this lasting material, which makes many unexpected appearances at every turn inside as well. In your living room, this small-scale pebble floor makes your subtle, yet striking focal point. This natural stepstone paving the way into the bedroom is so striking. 1. Santorini Cave Houses, Greece, starting with the iconic whitewashed cave houses of Santorini. These homes are carved into volcanic rock and feature clean lines, cozy interiors, and panoramic views of the Aegean Sea. Once used as traditional homes by locals, these cave houses have been transformed into luxurious hotels and private residences, offering visitors a taste of paradise. The architecture's minimalist charm paired with the dramatic sea views creates an ethereal experience. Underscore 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 underscore. 2. Matera, Italy, one of the most ancient cities in the world. Matera is famous for its sassy cave dwellings. These prehistoric homes date back thousands of years and have been restored into stylish modern spaces. Walking through Matera is like stepping back in time while still enjoying all the comforts of contemporary living. Stone walls, minimalist design, and the surrounding historical atmosphere make these homes truly one of a kind. Underscore 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 underscore. 3. Cappadocia Cave Houses, Turkey. In the magical land of Cappadocia, the fairy chimneys hide a network of cave houses and underground cities. With homes carved directly into the rock, residents here enjoy a unique architectural aesthetic. Many of these cave homes have been transformed into boutique hotels, allowing guests to experience a surreal living space surrounded by rock formations and hot air balloons dotting the sky. Cappadocia is where history meets fantasy. Underscore 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 underscore. 4. Sentinel de las Bodegas, Spain. This small town is unlike any other, with homes literally built into and under enormous rock formations. Sentinel de las Bodegas offers a unique combination of cave houses and traditional Spanish architecture. The natural rock provides insulation from the heat, while the streets are shaded by overhanging cliffs. Wandering through this picturesque town, you'll feel like you've entered a different dimension of harmonious living with nature. 5. Coober Pedy, Australia, known as the opal capital of the world. Coober Pedy in the Australian outback offers a very different type of cave living. Here, most of the town's residents live underground to escape the harsh desert heat. These dugout homes are spacious and cool, with modern amenities, and some even have underground churches and museums. It's a fascinating blend of rugged, practical living and modern comforts. A natural stone, a touch of rustic elegance. Natural stones are a perfect choice for adding a touch of rustic charm and timeless beauty to your house. Here's how to incorporate them. Flooring. Opt for natural stone tiles like travertine, slate, or limestone for your cave house flooring. These offer durability, ease of maintenance, and a natural aesthetic that complements the cave environment. Walls. Consider exposed natural stone walls for your truly cave-like feel in your house. Apply a sealant to protect the stone from moisture and enhance its natural beauty. Accents. Incorporate natural stone accents like countertops, fireplace surrounds, or bathroom vanities in your house. This adds a touch of luxury while maintaining a rustic connection to the natural surroundings. For more info, call us at 0330-113-5868 or email us at info@work-tops.com and get your free quote from us. Let's style your cave haven now. With the renovation complete, it's time to style your house. Here are some of the tips to create a warm and inviting space. Embrace natural light. Maximize natural light penetration through skylights that strategically place windows and light-colored walls in your house. This creates a bright and airy atmosphere. Earthy color palette. Opt for an earthy color palette that complements the natural stone elements in your house. Think shades of brown, beige, and terracotta for a cohesive look. Woven textures. Incorporate woven textures like rugs, throws, and furniture with natural fibers in your cave house. This adds warmth and visual interest while complementing the natural setting. Minimalist approach. Maintain a minimalist approach to furniture and decor to avoid cluttering the space in your house. Let the natural beauty of the cave and the stone elements take center stage. Strategic lighting. Create a warm and inviting ambience with strategically placed lighting fixtures in your house. Utilize a combination of task lighting, ambient lighting, and strategically placed accent lights for a layered effect. A cave haven for your little ones. Stones for your magic kids' room. Natural stones can add a touch of magic to your children's room in a cave haven. Let's delve into it. Stone accents. Consider a stone accent wall behind the bed or a play area in your kids' room within the house. This creates a visually interesting backdrop and complements the cave aesthetics. Mosaic fun. Get creative with some mosaic tiles made from natural stone tiles that are tumbled marble or granite on the floor, or a play area in your kids' room within the house. This adds a playful touch and also allows for some color in it. Stone sinks and countertops. For a bathroom that is within the kids' room of your cave haven, opt for some natural stone countertops and sinks. This provides durability and a touch of elegance to their space. Transforming your cave house alternative into a destination. Creating guest rooms. If space allows, they consider craving out the guest rooms in your cave house. This allows you to share your unique experience with friends and family. Maintain the natural aesthetic with some exposed stone walls and natural fiber furnishings. Carving out a home office. A dedicated workspace carved into the natural wall can provide a quiet and inspiring environment for work in your house. Utilize built-in shelves and natural light to create a functional and visually appealing space. Embrace outdoor living. Cave houses often have the advantage of unique outdoor spaces carved into the rock face. Create a charming patio or terrace with some comfortable seating and fire pits for al fresco dining and stargazing in your cave house. Carving out some functional spaces for us. Kitchens with character. Design is a kitchen that complements the natural elements of your cave house. Opt for open shelving made from reclaimed wood or wrought iron to display your cookware and dishes. Stone countertops add a touch of luxury and durability. Bathrooms that blend in. Create a bathroom that seamlessly integrates with the cave environment. Consider a walk-in shower with some natural stone walls and also a pebble floor for a space-like experience in your house. Fireplace magic. A fireplace carved into the natural stone wall adds warmth and ambience to your house. This creates a central gathering point and a focal feature in the living space. If you love this journey through nature's hidden gems, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing home design inspiration from around the world. And let us know in the comments, which cave house would you love to live in? Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.